2026 Kawasaki W250, classic style meets modern reliability. The 2026 Kawasaki W250 continues the brand's tradition of delivering classic aesthetics combined with modern engineering, catering to enthusiasts of retro-styled motorcycles. (2026 Kawasaki W250 Timeless Design). Drawing inspiration from the 1960s British cafe racers, the W250 showcases a vintage silhouette with a teardrop fuel tank, chrome accents, and spoked wheels. Its minimalist design is complemented by a one-piece bench saddle and fork gaiters, emphasizing its retro appeal. This model is a nod to Kawasaki's heritage, reminiscent of the Estrella 250, and is particularly popular in Southeast Asian markets like Indonesia and Thailand. (2026 Kawasaki W250 Engine and Performance). At the heart of the W250 lies a 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering approximately 17 horsepower and 19 Newton-meters of torque at 6,000 RPM. This setup ensures a smooth and responsive ride, ideal for urban commuting and leisurely cruises. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering riders precise control over their riding experience. (2026 Kawasaki W250 Dimensions and Ergonomics). The W250 boasts a length of 2,075 mm, a width of 755 mm, and a wheelbase of 1,410 mm, providing a balanced and stable ride. With a ground clearance of 170 mm, it comfortably handles various road conditions. The seating position is upright, ensuring rider comfort during extended journeys. (2026 Kawasaki W250 Market Positioning). Kawasaki's W series, including the W250, has found a dedicated following in Asian markets, especially in countries like Indonesia and Thailand. Its blend of classic design and reliable performance makes it a preferred choice for riders seeking a nostalgic yet practical motorcycle. Conclusion: the 2026 Kawasaki W250 stands as a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to blending classic motorcycle design with modern functionality. Its timeless aesthetics, combined with dependable performance, make it an attractive option for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts looking for a touch of nostalgia in their ride.